Good morning. We are LLWZ. I am phoned to represent the first assessment, and Ho Yin is for the second part of assessment and the third part of assessment. Jin, she is represent the first and second part of solution, and Xiang, and she is represent the final part of for the solution. For the aim of our topic is about change. For the aim of change, we want to change the company to use more knowledge management technology. Second, we want to change the relationship with the customer to become closer. And also, we want to change the company to become better. For our chosen shop, we use Chanki Dessert Restaurant, the Chanki Dessert Cafe. It is a famous Hong Kong style dessert cafe, and it mainly produces traditional and new style dessert. And this is a small company with 3 to 4 staff, and the boss is also the chef of the company. The characteristics of this shop, we know that the staffs are not willing to learn how to make desserts after work. Also, as I mentioned before, there are only one chef who is the boss, and when the boss gets sick or have some accident, and the shop need to close that day because no one know how to make the dessert. Also, the boss will always review the daily sales report every day, and the boss will check the comment on OpenRice about good or bad of the dessert cafe. For the first assessment, we are focused on the reviewed daily sales report. We use KM process to focus on it. First, the knowledge discovery. The number of each dessert sold and the revenues can be shown on the report, and the boss can know about this. Also, he can use the above data to locate which one is the best-selling dessert in the shop, and then he can share this information to the other staffs and for their future directions, such as which dessert need to promote more and which dessert they no need to focus. And then finally, they can use application and such as make some coupons or some promotion for the famous dessert or non-famous dessert in order to earn more revenues. And on the organizational process, based on to review the daily sales report, it can accelerate the analysis on product evaluation, such as they can easy to know which one is the best sell and which is the worst selling. Also, it can enhance the management of the dessert production because they can know they need to intake more stock, which one of stock to produce the dessert. For the qualitative assessment, we count it as a middle quality because it is good to direct the staff rather than to share and other method since it is a small companies. Also, it's smart to use the daily sales report for analysis because it can easier to reflect the customer winning. Also, it has competitive advantage compared to those no KM company because it can use some KM solution to focus on it. But we found that it needs some improvement on studying customer practice, such as the age group or some other the favor of the customer. And now I will pass the next part to Dennis.
Hi, I'm Dennis. For the second assessment, he is talking about the comments in the internet. The boss will collect the comments from a famous food review website, openrice.com.hk. The boss can capture the hobbies and the favorites of the customer from the comments. And the boss will sharing the feelings of the customer to the staff to improve their working attitudes. Following the feeling of the customer, we can change in the shop to improve our environment. On the organization process, we can analyze the data to form a statistics table which research is most needed by the customer, and but get the feeling from the customer and being a realized data to on the qualitative assessment. The quality is low. It would be the bottleneck to collect the user comment from a single food review website. For the third assessment, the research developing knowledge sharing. The boss will buy some research book to develop to get some more new ideas from the books to develop some new research. After the project is done, the boss will teach the staff. Afterwards, also the staff are free. The new research can be attractive to the customer to keep coming to Chanki Research Cafe. On the organization process, after some new research developed, the boss wants to sharing the skill set to his staff. But on the qualitative assessment, the quality is low. It's because the staff do not willing to get the lesson from the boss afterwards. It's because already very tired afterwards. The staff want to just leave the office afterwards. This is all my part, and then I will pass to Jean for the solution 1 part.
In this part, we are focused on the solutions about the above assessment. The first solution is that we can use the regular online questionnaire. We could gain the customer's preference clearly and capture their opinions and concerns products in the online questionnaire. It can help company to find the popular products. Also, we could also listen people's opinions and recommendations, then improve the shortage of service and products. Then we not only can attract more customers, but also can get more information about potential customers, such as their email address, their telephone number, their taste preference, their expected price, and several others. And the second solution is that we could provide a platform in Facebook for customers to discuss and like the desserts. On Facebook, we can always upload new products and activities. Also, it has the advertisement in the page. In addition, the Facebook contains some outdoor activities. It allows people to put comments and concern the activities. In this way, we can not only get more information and comment from customers, but also can enhance the interaction between the customer. Finally, we could see the hit rate in the Facebook fan page to find the most hit rate and the popular products. And then we could see the visitor habits within the administration tools. And then we can mine the data and to find the sequence, promote a related product set with some handsome discount for customer.
Okay, thanks for my membership. The time is to me. The final part is about the solution 3. In narrative discovery, the company need keep update the types of desserts. As we all know, new desserts can make the customers keep coming to dessert cafe and improve market share for the company. In capture, employees and boss can share cooking knowledge at their internal group such as QQ and WeChat. But streamlining training before working is necessary. The dessert manufacturer who is applying must have 1 year or above related work experience in sharing and application. The way to sharing for the information are variable. Firstly, employees who want to resign must submit a written report to the boss in 1 week advance. Secondly, reasonable arrangement for staff is necessary. We can use a shift system workers can learn knowledge in the enterprise internal QQ group. Thirdly, open staff exchange weekly meeting. All employees must attend and summarize the work for the past week. Finally, the company should organize some outdoor activities. It offer an environment for the employees and boss to exchange their cooking knowledge. Thank you. That's all.
That's all of our presentation. Thank you.